6, Sarah and Hannah, when the Molly hit via some berry juice, do lesbo stuff.
Doth thou like to trip balls?
Yes. Art thou rolling? Kiss too? Sock it to him.
And if you're still so eager, I'm sure there's a meal tied up.
What? What? Get What?
You're completely mad. No, I'm just not afraid with you.
Ahoy, dost thou have a vibrator?
Yeah.
I don't care how lesbian you are. Do you want to eat out a cave woman?
Mom?
Have some kind of gay talking going on.
The whole hallway smells like cum.
I can't Hillary Clinton found you guys raw dogging it.
What'd you do? Get some drag queen to mouth along to Dolly Parton songs?
Excuse her. Excuse her f***ing mouth. Have another slice of cake, Diane. This hoe. Who's that?
That's Ambrose.
A lot of dramatic names in this world. Cousin Ambrose. Aunt Zelda.
Yeah, very
Is
dramatic.
anybody just Phil? You know? I bet you she was this close to being like the chilling adventures of Denise. You know, like, are you sure you're a witch? The queen of hell is Glenn.
Beth.
Oh, hell, the queen of hell.
This is my regent,
Carol.
Karen.
Yeah. Bible.
These taste like soap.
That might be fake, sis. Some of these are fake. Are you eating a fake one?
This woman want to kill Jed. You okay?
Explosion, debris everywhere, all around your physical person. Hair, laid, makeup, set. What is it, LSAT? Learning stuff and things.
Probably like law.
Learning stuff and things. Oh, wow.
I don't know about that, you guys. He was kissing her like he was eating.
Oh, maybe he didn't have his teeth in.
What's clear in this moment is that you are a total piece of shit. It's very apparent here that you've done nothing. Nothing you've done in your life is any good at all. And that you're destined for suicide. And I've done it.
Yeah.
Right at the camera. What is happening?
He looks like those little chipmunks. Yeah.
Why does he keep looking
I don't
at the
know.
camera?
What? Oh my god.
I can't.
It's
He
wild.
looks like somebody just slipped a thumb up his ass. Like,
Wait, do that
Oh my
camera.
God.
Hold it.
if they show that model looking at
Oh.
the camera one more time, I'm
my
gonna flip this table.
30 seconds.